Geometry topic. I am going to revise you here solid shapes. Solid shapes. That solid shapes we can call it as also 3D shapes. 3D shapes. Nothing but here 3 dimensions. 3 dimensions means what? So a shape which has length, breadth and height. So that type of shapes are called the 3 dimensions, nothing but 3D shapes. Once again I am revising you. Solid shapes we can call it as a 3D shapes also, children. So 3D why we are calling means that shape should have the 3 dimensions, means 3 measures which are length, breadth and height. So these type of shapes are called the 3D shapes. Next solid shape is cube. Now I am drawing the cube here, you can see. Here you can see the shape of cube, children. This is a cube. And here cube has all squares, all square faces. Now here you see the line segments we call it as a edges. Let's count the edges here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means a cube has 12 edges, children. 12 edges. Coming to vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices, children. And its faces here, 1, front, back 2, left 3, and right 4, top 5, and bottom 6. So all 6 flat faces, that too all faces will have into the square shape. So 6 flat faces. Means a cube has 12 edges and 8 vertices and 6 flat faces. Yes, children, next solid shape is cuboid. So here you can see the shape of cuboid. A cuboid is a combination of rectangles and squares, children. A cuboid is a combination of rectangles and squares. Now let's count its edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Means a cuboid has 12 edges. Let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. And faces children. Front 1, back 1, 2, left and right 3, 4, top 5, bottom 6. So 6 flat faces. Come on children, a cuboid has 12 edges 8 vertices and 6 flat faces. A cuboid is a combination of squares and rectangles. Yes children, next solid shape is cone. Next solid shape is cone. Now here you can see the cone shape. This is the cone shape children. So here at the top it has one tip, nothing but one corner. You will think these two also has the tips, but not. If you see the real cone shape, ice cream shape or birthday caps shape, if you see children, here you will see one round, not corners. Okay, so a cone has only one vertex, and here the surrounding also, this surface also you can see curved surface, curved surface. So one curved surface, one curved surface, and down in the circular shape children you can see flat shape. So one flat shape, one flat surface, and here you can see one edge children, that too curved in the curved shape. So one curved edge. Okay, and here you see a cone has one vertex, one curved surface, one flat surface, and one curved edge. Yes children, next solid shape is sphere. So sphere means, here you can see sphere here. Examples of sphere is ball, globe. These all are the examples of sphere. Now you see here. Can you see anywhere vertex? No. So a sphere has no vertex, or you can call it zero vertex. And a sphere has, see, only no edges to this. Okay, so no edges. It has only surface children, that too curved surface. So a sphere has one curved surface. So the sphere examples are ball children, or globe. So here the sphere has no vertex, and a sphere has no edges, and it has only one curved surface. So a sphere has only one curved surface. Yes children, next solid shape is cylinder here. See here, you can see the cylinder shape here, and many cylinder you can see water bottle. These are the examples of cylinder, and circular. In kitchen also you can see many items in the cylinder shape. Water bottles and some cans. It looks like a circular, and some tiffin boxes also, and dal boxes also you can see children. Here this is a cylinder shape here, means around it should be the curved shape. Okay, now let's count the vertices for it. See, at the top, if you see in the figure, it looks like a vertices, but if you see the real cylinder shape, it will be the curved edge children. So here we have curved edge 1, and down also we have curved edge 2. Means it have 2 curved edges. The cylinder has 2 curved edges. And coming to the faces. Come on. Here at the top we have one circular shape. That is a circular shape, nothing but 2D. So it is a flat shape. And the down also you can see the circular shape, nothing but again 2D. So 2 flat shapes, 2 flat faces. The cylinder has 2 flat faces. Children, you can see around one face. So one curved face, one curved face, and here we don't have any vertices cylinder, so no vertices. A cylinder has two curved edges, two flat faces, one curved face and no vertices. Yes children, next solid shapes are square pyramid and rectangular pyramid. Here you see, to square pyramid, if the base is into the square shape and pyramid nothing but at the top it should be one tip, means side surfaces, side flat faces, it should meet at the top at one tip. So it is a square pyramid. It have, let's count the edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, means it has 8 edges. A square pyramid has 8 edges and vertices. Let's count the vertices here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 vertices. Vertices are corners. So a square pyramid has 5 vertices and it has, see, one base is one face, flat faces. Let's count the flat faces. 1 base and this side 2, 3 and back 4 and front 5. Left, right 2, back, front 4 and base. So 5 flat faces. It has 5 flat faces. So a square pyramid has 8 edges, 5 vertices, 5 flat faces. Coming to the rectangular pyramid, why we are calling it is a rectangular pyramid here? The base, the rectangular pyramid, the base it should have into the rectangular shape. So this and the pyramid nothing but the all side flat faces should meet at one place at the top, and at the top it should have one tip. So this is a pyramid and the base is into the rectangular shape. So rectangular pyramid. Let's count the edges for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Means a rectangular pyramid has 8 edges. Next, let's count the vertices or corners. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a rectangular pyramid has 5 vertices. And let's count the faces here. Back one face, front one face. 2 faces and left, right. So total 4 and down base is rectangular shape, that face, total 5 flat faces it has. Again I am repeating here, back side one face, front one face and left, right 4 faces and at the bottom base 5 faces. Okay, so 5 flat faces. So a rectangular pyramid has 8 edges, 5 vertices, 5 flat faces. And come these two here children, observe these two. If the base is into the square shape, so this pyramid is called a square pyramid, and if the base is into the rectangular shape, so this type of pyramid is called a rectangular shape, rectangular pyramid. Yes children, next is solid shape. Triangular prism. See, prism nothing but at the top it should have any surface or any edge children. So that type of figures are called, that type of solids are called prisms. So now I am taking the triangular prism. How I see here, you can see the triangular prism. This is a triangular prism children. See here, a triangular prism, it has sides triangular shape. Now you see here, how many edges to this. So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more it has children, we can't see that, but if you see the solid shape you can count, but in the figure see this dotted. So total 9 edges. This is also you should treat as an edge. 9 edges. So triangular prism has 9 edges. Now its surfaces let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and base is 5. So 5 flat faces. So coming to the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertex. 6 vertices. See children once again. A triangular prism has, and prism I said you already here, at the top it should have one edge or one surface. See here you can see one edge. Now this is a triangular prism, and here a triangular prism has 9 edges, 9 line segments and 5 faces and 6 vertices. Next, triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid children. See pyramid nothing but at the top it should have one vertex, okay, or one tip. See, this is a triangular pyramid, and why we are calling it is as a triangular pyramid only means it has base has a triangular shape and at the top it has one tip, means triangular pyramid. Let's count its edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 edges. Vertices children. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. And its faces. 1, this, 2 and front 3 and base is total 4 flat faces that do. Come on, don't confuse these two children. Prism nothing but at the top it should have one surface or one edge, and pyramid nothing but at the top it should have one vertex, okay. And here you see triangular pyramid has 6 edges, 4 vertices and 4 flat faces. Coming to triangular prism, it has 9 edges, 5 flat faces, 6 vertices.